James Hawley. Been doing car restoration and service work for 16, almost 17 years. More so on the restoration side, been doing a lot of work there. Came to ISSIMI about 6 months ago, and we're going to try and build the service side as well as get involved and into the restoration work. Biggest assets, I guess, are the fact that we have a great team, from John Luca and Mathep at the top down to the rest of us techs. We're able to, get to know the customers, establish a relationship, and then build from there and be able to go, with all the experience of all of our guys and create a great product for our customers. In particular, for the 340, it was entered into Pebble Beach, so it was going to be doing the drive before the show, which was really important for us to be there to make sure everything was going to go smoothly, and then at the show, go through the checklist, make sure the car was going to be able to be judged and do well in the judging. When we first got down there, we had a kind of meet and greet with their team and then our team, and then just also with the car to kind of go over all of the things that they might get judged on, make sure everything is running correctly, all the lights are working right. We had a couple little questions about some washers that were underneath some screws. Were those the right ones? Were they correct? We kind of went back and forth, looked at some documentation to help prove that the car was what it was for the judges at the show. An overall inspection of the car.
You said you have sixes? Yes, I have them in the team, so yeah.
Second step was the drive. The cars all left from Pebble, and then we followed behind the group, make sure there wasn't any problems, or if there was, we were there to be able to help them get back on the road. Because in order to do the judging, you have to complete the drive. So it's a really important step. We had a couple little issues on the drive. We were able to sort them out. The car made it to the end of the drive, so they were able to check that off. And then the third part is the actual show day. Show day comes, we get it out there early in the morning. I do the same thing we did on the first day. Run through all the electrical, start it, make sure it'll start, make sure there's no dead battery, clean it up, and then just wait for the judging to start. Anything that comes up, say for whatever reason a light bulb doesn't work all of a sudden, or it won't start right away or something like that, we're there just to lend a hand. Typically you're allowed a couple minutes to try and get something fixed if there is an issue. So we were just there on hand. Luckily it all went smooth, and it placed second in its class, which it was up against a Series 2 GTO, which was incredible and was probably going to win no matter what. It was beautiful. And then we were also up against, it was a 275 Spider that we're up against. And so to get second out of those three was really, really great.